If you're trying to stay organized and manage your tasks, you've probably come across Notion and Taskade. Both are powerful productivity tools, but they serve slightly different purposes, and choosing the right one depends on how you work. Let's start with Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines notes, databases, wikis, and project management. Its flexibility is incredible. You can create custom dashboards, track projects, organize content, and even build your own workflows. Notion is great if you like to have everything in one place, from notes to tasks, and if you enjoy customizing your workspace to fit your style. The downside is that it can take some time to set up, and it's more suited for asynchronous work rather than real-time collaboration. On the other hand, Taskade is built for fast, real-time task management and team collaboration. It's perfect for creating to-do lists, mind maps, and live workflows that your team can edit together instantly. Taskade also integrates chat and video calls directly into the workspace, making it a great option for teams that need communication and task management in one place. It's intuitive and easy to pick up, so you can start collaborating without a steep learning curve. Taskade also offers automation and AI-powered features to streamline your workflows and save time. So, which one is better? If you want flexibility, customization, and an all-in-one knowledge hub, Notion is your best choice. But if your priority is real-time collaboration, fast task management, and team communication, Taskade might be the winner. Both apps are excellent, but the right one depends on your workflow and what you need most. If this comparison helped you decide which tool fits your style, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more productivity tips and tech tutorials.